This is my client's hair before. She has a lot of regrowth, and for the most part she wants to be pretty blonde. So what I'm going to do is back-to-back foils, baby lights, very thin fine sections, and just make sure I foil the whole head to get rid of all this dark going on. After I pull out all her foils and she's finished processing, I'm going to go ahead and use Redken Shades EQ Toner, and I'm going to mix 10N, 9V, and Clear. If you need to, make sure you rinse out section by section so she doesn't over process. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick hair tutorial on my client. I hope you guys love this as much as I do. It is so gorgeous. It is the perfect shade, and I really had a great time doing this. So if you guys like these quick hair vlogs, leave me a comment down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.